never guess where I am today. I'm at Universal Studios in Los Angeles shooting an episode of Home and Family. We're getting ready to go in and rehearse, so stay tuned to Home and Family. We're live from Universal Studios.
Welcome back, everybody. Our next guest is an author and world-renowned celebrity floral designer with design schools all across the country, and today he's sharing dazzling winter floral designs for our homes. Please welcome back to our home, Michael Gaffney. Michael.
Yeah, thanks, great to be home.
Oh, we love to hear that. You know, your designs are so beautiful. Everyone always talks about how intricate and complicated they look, but you say this is all just smoke and mirrors.
Every time I'm on the show, it's easy. Every great flower design, there's 1 or 2 chess moves to checkmate. That's
wow. But you have to know the chess moves.
So yeah, it's easy. There's anytime you see a beautiful picture, I could tell you what they did to make that so beautiful. There's a science behind it.
Show some of the designs that you
well, we're looking at winter designs. We're not quite ready for yellow tulips and orange daffodils, so we brought some winter flowers here, which are nice. You know, they're white hydrangeas, white tulips, kale, which you just discovered.
The purple
at your
kale,
rose
yes,
parade.
they had that on the
Siberian lilies, little hypericum berries. So they're flowers that can take us through the rest of winter. They're nice for around the house decor.
Gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, show us a design.
Oh, I'm so
Mary
excited.
Lou, you ready to design?
I'm helping.
I know you love this.
First, we're going to light up the tower. Let's take some of these.
Don't be afraid.
Twist
Just
them
throw
on.
them in.
These are LED lights that you
but what
twist
if they
and
don't?
drop.
Just go down.
That's it.
Now cover them up with some crystals.
Okay, here we go. Crystals, crystals.
I
mean,
don't be scared.
I would have
Just
never
keep
thought to
dumping.
do that.
I know.
I don't look like diamonds.
We're going to do what I call clog the drain.
I remember clog the drain. You taught us this
I'll
last
do the
time.
first one, Mary Lou will do the second one. These are
Okay.
dendrobium orchids. We're going to clog the drain.
Can I still throw these in?
Oh, sure.
Okay,
Go ahead.
good.
Now
And then
take
he
your
said,
I
purple
said that
actually,
many
Take
times
this
at the
one.
parade.
Turn
He
it
said,
upside
just
down.
Stuff it down. And
The
you say, like, okay.
drain.
What flower is this? These are dendrobiums and this
take
is
your
orchid.
cake-
This
take
This?
orchid.
This?
Take your
Hydrangea.
cake topper.
Oh, really? My cake topper. Here it goes. Oh,
And
look
she's
at
ready
that.
for her
Michael.
next high-end event.
But let me
Oh my
ask you
gosh.
something. By the way, you made that so simple. If I saw that in
Here,
the,
let me put it around.
that took all
I
of
know.
10 seconds.
But
all-
how long will the flowers live under
that
there?
one.
Will
There you
they-
go.
Ooh.
Longer than not in there. Flowers
Yeah.
underwater hydrate. They're constantly hydrating. The water will enter through the bark, stem, and leaves instead of having to go up the
Beautiful.
stem.
That is gorgeous.
Look how gorgeous that is.
It's-
so when
it's
you
stunning.
when you do a
Absolutely
friend's wedding,
stunning.
that's your
Right.
centerpiece.
That's
You're-
gorgeous.
You're
In
using a lot of the
8
things
seconds.
that we found that you can find around.
Instead of vases, you were asking about
I
vases
know, I
earlier.
wanted to ask you.
Use containers. Here's your gift boxes. Here's your highball glasses, champagne glass. This is my favorite one on the
Wow.
table. Just a champagne glass with a few hydrangeas and berries. I think it's really pretty.
So how many different types do you actually need? Because I was going through my vases before the holidays, and I went, I have 60 different vases in my house, and I don't need all of them.
In my school, I
garage.
teach
Right,
any
isn't that
design you
true?
can come up with. Basically, there's 4 styles of glassware that you could use. But you have to come to
Wonderful.
my school. You're
Okay,
Sorry, this is
you
I
get a
will.
free
Sorry,
tuition.
Michael, this is not glassware.
That is
What's
a
going on here? You got a
That's
little bit
teapot. See
silly
the
on
steam
us.
coming out the end, the baby's breath. There you go.
Oh, look
great?
at that.
So,
That's-
think out of the box. Use some containers around your house.
This
to
may be
fill.
the wrong thing to ask a floral expert like
Yes.
yourself, but I'm with you. How many of these vases should I keep?
Yeah, exactly.
Because every time I get
4?
just
Just
keep
4.
4.
Just keep
4 styles.
And what do you do with? I guess you just
Give them away.
Yes.
I guess.
Give them to my school. and
Okay,
I'll
give
get
them
you.
to your school.
I have a question.
I know because you want to give it to somebody.
Question for you, because just doing the Rose Parade, I learned so many things, and I've heard something that's trending now called farm-to-table flowers.
It is trending. I'm on that trend. I just started a company called Flower Power. I've been traveling the globe looking for rare flowers. I'm going to start importing them to the country. So I've been in Ecuador, Colombia, also farms in California I'll be importing. And farm to table simply means from the farm to your table.
Like food.
So, okay.
Yes,
Farm to
you're
table
eliminating
food.
some of the routes that it takes to get to your table. You're not only getting fresher flowers, you're saving money. You know, most people know that commercial flowers have no scent anymore, right?
Oh no, this one says.
These
So,
do. I
oh my
discovered
gosh, you
this
want
in
these in your
Amsterdam.
bathtub?
Oh my goodness,
They're
that
so
sounds like
beautiful.
yeah,
Yeah, it's
like the
like-
tea
like-
rose perfume.
right, exactly.
Yes.
Why
yes.
is that?
They're new varieties. They're organically grown. I met this guy, this
Organics.
farmer in Colombia, who held me captive for 4 hours. Tell me about how he grows these without pesticides. And then he sent them to me. I went, oh my God, they're amazing. So there's varieties over here. Look at this one. I've never seen it before. This
You wait,
one-
you have
edible?
never seen
That
it
looks
before?
I've never seen them. It was like Jurassic Park down there. What is that? I'll take that whole hillside.
Well, what
and
is
bring it to
that?
the state. I don't know.
That's
It looks like
like
It's
edible,
a
isn't
rose. It is a rose. Look at that one. It looks like a white peony.
Yeah.
Oh,
Do you
so-
have to cut the bottom of flowers right
I
away?
always
when
cut
you
them on
first-
an angle, yes.
You cut them
Always
on an
cut 'em
angle.
So Flower Power is a farm-to-table product. I'm putting my classes online for the first time. So you basically, if you can't make it to one of my schools, we're going to cut the flowers from the fields, put them in a box, and ship them to your house, and you can learn.
And they show up in a reasonable time. They
Yeah, it takes a couple of days as opposed to the usual channels, which can take a week. You can still go to flower shops and you want your flowers designed doing your weddings, but if you want bulk flowers, farm to table, just like food, is the way it's happening. It's just coming down the pipe.
Can we please discuss the trend of the flowers in the box? We did this with Shirley.
Oh,
yesterday.
yeah.
These are so beautiful to me.
I
It's
thought
just-
that's how you ship them.
It's a European. It started in Europe, and they're crazy about it. It's a little gift box that we.
Wow,
did.
it is. It's so just a
This
cord.
is called
cardboard.
pave, like a diamond bracelet. You know, pave. And it's called pave, and they just lined
So
up.
what would you do? Would you just put the floral
Put a little foam in the bottom, yeah.
and
just
that's
stick 'em
wet
Yep.
and just put them in?
Yep. Just
Wow.
So
like
you
a
can do
little
any of your
checkerboard.
leftover boxes
I
for the
know.
holidays.
I know
There
you
you
don't
go.
need all of the vases there.
And I'm sorry, is that because when I said the purple kale, everybody went, "Oh yeah, purple kale."
Yeah.
Was new to me at the parade. We discovered, several of the float designers were using this. Is this common this time of year only, or is it? around?
It's newer on the market about 3 years ago. I saw varieties in Ecuador that I'm going to be bringing up here that you have never seen. I've never seen. So it's
I'll see
becoming
them next
more,
year probably
it's-
at the parade.
It's grown more and more. Varieties are always changing as we discover them. We're bringing them into the market. So
And this dusty kale as well. Is that what that's called?
yeah, this is a
Kale, I love it.
This
Kale
is
has
a
a great
champagne
publicist.
bucket that I left over after the New Year's party that I filled with
that.
really trendy right now. Dusty Miller, your purple kale, hydrangeas and roses. So again, utilizing items around your house instead of vases.
I think it's
Michael,
fantastic.
thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank
You're so
you.
wonderful. And again,
It's-
your school that you're putting online
Oh,
is
I love it.
fabulous.
Ooh.
Oh,
Thank you.
Lovely. Thank
That's
you.
so
Farm to table.
wonderful.
Always
Good to see
always
you.
good. Thank
Always
you.
good to see you.